Hello all, today I will prepare my Pommes Dauphine. So therefore we need 200 grams of potato, 150 grams of flour, 60 grams of butter, 4 eggs, 25 centiliter water and some salt. So we will begin with the patatoes. So I put the water in a pan with the butter and a little bit salt. I heat it. When it boils and all the butter is melt, you can put all the flour in once, inside in the pan. You mix. It will make like a ball, you see, and you don't have to have some flour on the pan on the sides. Otherwise you put it on the fire a little bit more. And then you let it a little bit colder, and then you put 1 egg inside. It's better because the egg, it's better not to cook inside the pan. If your pan is too warm, egg will cook. So you mixed all till you have another bowl and you don't see the egg anymore. Okay, when it's done, you repeat this 1 egg after 1, and when finished you will have your pastry. So you got it. Now you have your potato. You take your potato, your cold potato, baked of course, and you mash them. When they are nice mashed, you mix them with the pastry. You need 1/3 of potato and 2/3 of the choux pastry. And then you just have to bake them in oil 108 grades. You put them, they will blow, and you can eat them with your meat and everything. It's really nice with wild meat. I love this. So enjoy. You can also use ice spoon to do them, but a small one. Mine is a little bit too big. So if you have a small one, you can do it with this. You have bigger bowl, and they are more nice. Okay, so enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for other recipes. You can do it by clicking on the link just on the screen. See you, bye bye.